Hi, I'm Jake from Made In, and we're here to talk about our clean cookware assortment. Listen, we get shopping for cookware is confusing. It's confusing enough to figure out what good cookware is, and then when you introduce the whole dynamic of clean and safe and what should you be cooking for your family, and that just makes everything more amplified and confusing. I'm gonna walk you through each of these and explain to you why they're great, explain to you why you should consider them for your kitchen, and why upgrading to these different materials can not only make you feel more peace of mind at home, but also make you a way better cook. We're gonna start with the OG, the original Made In material, multi-clad stainless steel with an aluminum core. This is my favorite. It's the most versatile. You can use it for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Restaurants love stainless clad cookware. This is the #1 SKU that we sell to our commercial partners. It consists of 5 layers of metal, all carefully sourced. The top and bottom layers of the 5-ply sandwich are stainless steel. The internal 3 layers are various layers of aluminum. They're buried within the pan themselves. And the reason why we love aluminum is it's really conductive to heat. It allows you to heat that pan up quickly and cool it down quickly. And then the stainless steel on either side is what holds that heat in there. Really, the key to cooking with stainless clad cookware is to understand heat. How you heat the pan up, how you heat the fat within it up, and then how you cook with the ingredients in the pan themselves. We offer a lifetime warranty on this, right? We take a lot of pride in our manufacturing, and we've seen this thing last night after night in the world's busiest restaurants. It's definitely gonna last in your home. CeramiClad, the newest addition to our bunch. CeramiClad is the same 5-ply multi-clad body that we just talked about with our stainless clad cookware, with 2 layers of our CeramiClad ceramic non-stick coating. We're really proud of the 3 years it took to develop this. It's so naturally non-stick out of the box. You've got your stainless steel rivets, you've got your stainless steel handle, all the benefits of our clad cookware with a unbelievable ceramic coating to fulfill all of your clean kitchen needs in 2025. Your cheap ceramic pan has probably fallen apart since I started talking, so now you can upgrade. Carbon steel. This is something that Made In got very popular for very soon after we launched. Carbon steel is a mainstay in commercial kitchens. It's also incredibly popular in Europe. You see it in stovetops at homes everywhere all across France. Why I love carbon steel is because it gets naturally non-stick. We actually do the first couple layers of seasoning for you. We apply that in our factory, and so when it comes to you, you're ready to cook out the box. It takes incredibly high heat, 1200 degrees on this pan, cools down incredibly quickly. People love this for searing proteins, charring vegetables. As you pick up more and more seasoning on this pan, it can become non-stick for eggs and fish or any of those kind of delicate ingredients that you like. This thing is free from all coatings. We're talking PTFE, PFAS, PFOA, only 2 materials, carbon and iron. This is truly a naturally non-stick pan that's gonna last you forever. Copper, not just beautiful, but super practical, especially when it comes to clean cooking. Our copper has 2 layers here. Copper on the bottom, stainless steel on the inside. The alternative is you're at a vintage market, you're buying an old copper pan, and that thing's gonna have a tin lining. And tin is not clean cooking. Everything we just talked about how stainless steel, there's no coating at all, you could use it for all types of cooking applications as soon as you understand heat control. If what you're looking for is the beauty of copper with a clean cooking surface, this is the ultimate combination. You also, again, have those stainless steel rivets. Everything coming in contact with your food is non-corrosive, non-reactive stainless steel, no coatings, with a beautiful copper base. Enameled Cast Iron is beautiful. It's been around for centuries. It is cast iron covered in porcelain enamel. First of all, you have all the benefits of your cast iron core. Those of you that love cast iron at home, it's because it can take incredibly high heat, can hold heat incredibly well because it's thick. We then spray it with porcelain, totally chemical-free. Enamel coating is a porcelain glass that's powdered and then heated onto the pan itself, free from PFOA, free from PFAS, free from lead, cadmium, any kind of heavy metals, and at incredibly high heats, it basically vitrifies on the pan itself, which basically means there's no pores, there's no way for anything cooking in the pan to get in the surface itself, or anything to be pulled out from the pan itself into the food that you're actually cooking. And keep in mind, at the end of the day, it's still a cast iron substrate, so this has all of the benefits of your cast iron skillet without the risk of corrosion, rusting. You don't have to season it, you don't have to clean it special. We walked through a lot of different Made In materials here. The best assortment for clean cookware for your new kitchen in 2025. A lot of different options here. Everything is the highest performing caliber you can get in their respective materials and stuff we've tirelessly researched and developed with our factory partners. We thought we gave you a really good head start as you think about your clean cooking assortment, but if you have any other questions, reach out to us. We're here to help and make the shopping process easy for you. So thanks for watching.